Hi, my name is Christina Berkheimer, and I will be discussing our clients and their data in this presentation. The current system that we now have has many positive aspects going for it. The system is faster in handling the client's accounts. It keeps everything organized and in its proper place. It is cost and time efficient. It allows our company to have more clientele. With all these positives going for it, there is also a negative, in that since everything is wireless and done online, it can also be breached and has been breached. Clients' information getting breached is a very serious matter. It is a huge liability on our part. This is when their personal information gets stolen and the criminals use it for their personal use or to commit future crimes using someone else's identity. Not only is it a liability for us, but our clients will also decide to go elsewhere where they may feel safer with their information. The old way, where the clinic stored the client's information on paper and it was filed, it's not nearly as cost efficient, nor was it time efficient, and it limited the company on how many clients it could take on at one time. It also cost the client a little more money out of pocket than the system that we currently have now, but their information was safe, and there was no worries about their information getting into the wrong hands, nor did we have to worry about passwords. It is our responsibility to protect our clients' personal information. Just like with a lawyer having professional conduct to uphold, we too need to uphold our conduct. And this is by protecting our clients' information. It is very important for all personnel to understand the risks that are involved and to understand what could happen if the client's information gets breached. Having said this, it is very important for all personnel to change their passwords frequently and make them long and unique. We need to protect their information as if it was our own information. The clinic does have a legal right to pursue when a cybercrime is committed against them. This would fall under the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act of '96, and which imposes privacy and security obligations on healthcare plans, healthcare clearinghouses, and healthcare providers. The Electronic Communications Privacy Act also applies to electronic communications which we use, such as our computers, and the Computer Fraud and Abuse Act, which protects against computer crimes. And a breach is considered a computer crime. The following are the references where I gathered my information from. This ends my presentation. Thank you for allowing me to present it.